Today, I thought I'd share a little bit of information about capsaicinoids, the chemicals that make chili peppers spicy. Chili peppers are thought to have originated in Central or South America, though today they're grown throughout the world. The pungent, burning sensation that you get when eating chili peppers is due to a class of compounds known as capsaicinoids. It's thought that they're produced as deterrents against certain mammals and fungi. Birds, however, lack the metabolic pathway to taste capsaicinoids, making them immune to the burning sensation. This just so happens to make birds a very good way to disperse pepper seeds in nature. The spiciness of different peppers is sometimes measured using the Scoville scale, which is named after its creator, American pharmacist Wilbur Scoville, who developed the scale in 1912. In order to determine where a particular pepper falls on the scale, a known weight of the dried pepper is dissolved in alcohol to extract the capsaicinoids and then diluted in a solution of sugar water. This sample is tasted and then subsequently diluted until heat can no longer be detected. A single dilution is called a Scoville heat unit. Bell peppers have a score of 0 Scoville heat units. Jalapeno peppers have a score of 2,000 to 8,000 Scoville heat units, while the Carolina Reaper has a score of over 1.5 million Scoville heat units. In addition to making foods flavorful, capsaicinoids also have medicinal uses. In particular, they're used in drugs to treat certain types of pain known as neuralgia. They're also used to relieve minor pain associated with rheumatoid arthritis and muscle spasms. So just a little bit of information if you were curious about what made chili peppers spicy. For more information, please visit sunup.okstate.edu or food.okstate.edu.